Welcome to the step-by-step installation and operation guide for the ultimate Hensley Arrow towing system by TowSafe. This video will ensure your hitch is set up correctly and safely so you can tow with confidence. Let's get started. Tools and parts overview. Before beginning the installation, gather the necessary tools and parts. Here are some of the tools needed. A 15th/16th wrench, an 11th/16th deep socket, a 3/4 deep socket, a 3/4 wrench, a 1/4 hex socket, a torque wrench, a tape measure, and a grease gun. Here are the included parts: the main unit, the hitch bar, a wrench, 2 struts, a rod end kit, 2 jacks, 2 spring bars, 2 frame brackets, 2 extension chains, a U-bolt kit, a set screw kit, and a pin kit. With everything ready, let's begin the installation. Installing the main unit. Step number 1. Apply grease to the hitch ball on the main unit. Step number 2. Insert the main unit into the trailer coupler. There are 2 methods by which you can do this. Method number 1. Hold the coupler latch open while inserting the ball. Method number 2. If the hitch bar is installed in the tow vehicle, use the vehicle to guide the main unit into the trailer coupler. Continue watching to see how to connect the hitch bar to your vehicle and to the main unit. Warning: secure the coupler with a pin or padlock to prevent accidental disconnection. Installing and adjusting the strut bars. Before installing the struts, it's important to understand the left hand LH and right hand RH designations as used in the manual. LH, left hand, refers to the hex side of the strut. RH, right hand, refers to the smooth side of the strut. Each strut bar has one LH hex end and one RH smooth end, which must be installed correctly for proper function. The LH hex hardware is marked with the red dot for easy identification. Follow these steps to properly install and adjust the struts. Step number 1. Install the LH hex rod ends and jam nuts into the hex side of the strut bar. Again, these parts are marked with red dots for easy identification. Step number 2. Install the RH smooth rod ends and jam nuts into the smooth side of the strut bar. Step number 3. Ensure both struts are of equal length after installing the rod ends and jam nuts. Step number 4. Attach the passenger side strut with the LH hex side on the main unit and the RH smooth side on the frame bracket. When installing the strut to the frame bracket, ensure that one of the U-bolts is attached to the frame bracket through the plates in the frame bracket. Step number 5. Attach the driver's side strut with the RH smooth side on the main unit and the LH hex side on the frame bracket. Step number 6. Use the hole on the frame bracket that keeps the strut parallel with the trailer frame. Step number 7. Adjust both struts to center the main unit with the trailer. You can do this by holding on to the main unit and adjusting it until it's centered. Installing the frame brackets. Step number 1. Place both frame brackets on the trailer frame with the struts attached to both the frame bracket and the main unit. This naturally determines the correct bracket location, eliminating the need for measuring. Step number 2. Install one U-bolt to loosely hold each frame bracket in place. Step number 3. Install the remaining U-bolts and tighten to 45 foot-pounds. Step number 4. Install set screws and jam nuts. Step number 5. With the struts installed, tighten the set screws on the frame bracket to 45 foot-pounds and secure the jam nuts. Tighten the jam nuts securely to prevent movement. Both struts should be firm. When you're adjusting the struts to make sure that they're firm, they should be getting longer as you're adjusting them. Installing the jacks and spring bars. Step number 1. Install the jack onto the frame bracket with the mount facing to the rear. Step number 2. Secure the jack using the supplied 41/64 inch collar and set screw. Step number 3, apply grease to the end of the spring bar. Step number 4, insert the spring bar into the main unit and push upward until it clicks into place. Step number 5, secure the spring bar to the jack using the pin in the jack. Ensure 2 holes remain exposed on the jack's lower tube. Grease the main unit at the spring bar connection until the grease starts to ooze onto the spring bar. Warning: do not use an impact driver on your jacks. Damage will occur. The jacks are only rated for drills. Hitching up the trailer. Step number 1, chock the trailer tires to prevent movement. Step number 2, use the jacks to level the hitch box and the main unit. Step number 3, insert the hitch bar into the tow vehicle's receiver. Step number 4, align the hitch bar with the hitch box opening. Step number 5, back into the hitch box using the white alignment decals as a guide. Step number 6, close the over center latches and insert the safety pin. The latches should feel firm like a vice grip when closing. To adjust the tension in the over center latches, you can twist them in or out to ensure they clasp securely. Step number 7, tension the spring bars by turning the jack handle until reaching the middle mark on the jack's center tube. Step number 8, lock the jack by rotating the plunger handle 90 degrees, then turn the jack top until it clicks. Final safety checks and accessories. Before hitting the road, double check the following. First, attach safety chains, electrical cables, and the breakaway cable. Warning: safety chains should be routed under the spring bars. This is very important. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a safe and reliable towing experience with your ultimate Hensley Arrow. If you have any questions, refer to the manual or contact TowSafe for support. Thanks for watching and safe towing.